Hey investor friends, today Palantir, many red articles and my future investment strategies. Let's go. I woke up today with multiple articles mentioning how we should all sell Palantir stock. What about the buzz? What is happening, guys? Should you sell your Palantir position? After Citron's research reported shorting Palantir stock and Morgan Stanley downgrading it, Palantir walks on shaky ground. However, today we're gonna see if you should liquidate your Palantir's position. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. Welcome to our new subscribers. Here, I am your host, Ali Barry. I do Palantir content every day, all day for you. All the news, all the data, all the information for a one-stop shop. Please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And let's continue on with the video. Headlines say, the shares are up 170% in the span of less than 3 months. The rally in Palantir is very much overdone, as there has not been any incremental positive news. Strong retail participation points to a potential bubble forming. If you are invested, I recommend taking profits now. I read from Seeking Alpha, a very well-known, reliable source that many retail investors depend on it, that covers thousands of publicly traded companies. Andrew Wills from Morningstar, another reliable source of information and data, says that, I quote, "Nothing is stopping commercial interests from copying the entire business model." He means that a company X, Y, and Z could come up with such products and services such as Palantir, which is crazy. I mean, these products and services, such as Gotham and Foundry, took a lot of years and a lot of capital to develop. Let's not forget all the smart talents that were needed to develop such a software. I have done a previous video on all the competitive advantages that Palantir has and will keep having in the near and possibly the distant future. You can find the video in the description down below. The bottom line is that all these articles are playing with us, the retail investors, since they know that most retail investors have their main source of information, the internet. They just want to attract attention and clicks. I don't see any new changes in the fundamental of the company that would make me sell my position and take profits. I am a long-term investor. I remember this important video of Warren Buffett that I wanted to share with you.
The answer is that investors behave in very human ways, which is they get very excited during bull markets and they look in the rearview mirror and they say, I made money last year. And when they look in the rearview mirror and they see a lot of money having been made in the last few years, they plow in and they just push and push and push on prices. And when they look in the rearview mirror and they see no money having been made, they just say this is a lousy place to be. So they don't care what's going on in the underlying business. And it's astounding, but that makes for huge opportunity. Just huge opportunities. So now I would rather buy a wonderful business at a fair price than a fair business at a wonderful price. Only should expect to make money in things that I understand. And when I say understand, I mean understand what the economics of the business are likely to look like 10 years from now or 20 years from now.
Before closing the video, I want to share a thought with you that I can't prove yet. I believe that all this negative press is to put downward pressure on Palantir's stock price and to push it in the low 20s in the beginning of 2020. So many institutional investors can flood the market and buy billions worth of Palantir stock, so they could see a huge upside return on their investment, since they have very smart analysts that can see the upside potential of Palantir. However, they want to get a better deal. I will not be selling any of my positions and I have at least a 3-year time horizon. Thank you guys so much for sticking up until the end of the video. Please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next video.